There are ways of estimating the median for a grouped frequency distribution, but the only one that you're expected to know before A-level is from a cumulative frequency graph, so you need to see the later section. At this stage, all you'd be expected to do is find the median class, i.e. the group that the median lies in, for a grouped frequency distribution. Think about finding a median. You need to know how many pieces of data there are. Median, remember, middle. To find the middle, you need to know how many pieces of data there are. If we add this frequency column, we find that there are 80 pieces of data. When dealing with grouped frequency, we don't add 1 to the number of pieces of data. So to find the middle, we just simply do 80 divided by 2. We're after the position of the 40th piece of data. There's 12 pieces of data in this class. There's 18 in the next class, so by the time I get to 50, I've looked at 30 pieces of data. Then there's 19 in the next class, taking us up to 49. So the 40th piece of data will be in this class. So the median lies in the class for H between 50 and 55.